Hello learners, today we will learn about the cyclomatic concept of the software testing. So what exactly is cyclomatic complexity? It is a software metric used to measure the complexity of the program. Suppose we are given a program, we need to identify what is the complexity of it. So we use this particular formula. There are three formulas. So first one is E minus n plus 2p, where E is the number of edges, n is the number of nodes, 2 into p. So p is the connected components. So what is connected components is, for a particular single program if we are having, for that p is 1. If we are having more subroutines, then p could be 2. Now the second formula is pi plus 1, where pi is the predicate node. Now what is predicate node is any node which is having more than 1 out degrees, that is 2 out degrees. So this node is having 2 out degrees. So this is the first node, first predicate node. This is the second predicate node. This is the second predicate node as it is having 2 out degrees, and this is also the third predicate node. Now this is the third predicate node and this is the fourth predicate node. So we have in total 4 predicate nodes. That means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So that's what we have taken out here. So for the graph given here, better to note it down. So for the graph given here, if we go for the formula 1, that is edges minus number of nodes plus 2 into connected components. So we will get is number of edges, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is the number of edges. Nodes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the number of nodes. And as I said, for a single program or subroutine, p is 1. So we calculate is like this. We put the value for edges, nodes and the connected components. We get as 5 as our cyclomatic complexity. Now this is the formula 2, where pi equal to predicate node, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now the third formula is really very easy to understand. That is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. How? The number of region plus 1. Number of region is all the wherever we are having a closed bound, that with all the edges, that particular is a region that we need to count. So this is first region, this is second region, this is third region, that is bounded from all the sides, that is all the vertices are, or the nodes are connected through edges, it's not open. And even this is the fourth one. Irrespective of the count, you can take it as region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4. So the number of region plus 1, that is 5. So you can see all these three formula gives us same result, that is cyclomatic complexity to be 5. Thank you.